Hello, third graders. This is your tutorial for Lesson 3, Strong and Weak Beats. This is one of my favorite lessons so far this year. I think you'll have a great time. Enjoy the strong, weak song. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. The trick is to do it strong and weak. So if you clap strong and then weak, so you can barely hear it. And then strong and then weak, like this. Notice they were not both the same. When you drum, it's the same thing. You can drum on your desk or your table with your hands flat and then just use your fingertips. Strong and weak. Looking at our key words: strong beat, weak beat. Moving on from steady beat and no steady beat. Going to next. Here are the lyrics and the words for strong and weak. You can sing along this time now that you've heard the whole song once. And notice our friends Mr. Strong Beat and Mr. Weak Beat. This is the video where you get to see strong and weak more. I love this video. Please watch it twice. I think it's a great video. We'll see it a few more times in our upcoming lessons. Strong beat and weak beat. These are the definitions. Make sure you know the definitions of the strong beat and the weak beat. Skip to Malou actually has two parts, and you should get up and skip along with this the first time and just enjoy. The second part, get this to move on. We're following along the black words right now. Later, we could come back and do the red words. It's two-part singing, so if you just want to this time and this week, just work on the black words. Find that beat. Find that beat is our first game. For each example, click on it, and you have a choice of strong beat or weak beat. You should never, here's a hint, start with a weak beat. Because one thing we're learning is that in music right now, weak beats do not start our measure groupings. We'd always want to start with a strong beat and decide. Usually strong and then weak will follow. It might be 2, it might be 3, and we can check. I didn't even listen to this example. Let's see if I'm right. Let's show it. I guess I am right. Moving on. You can do this really fun mummy walk. We're starting to get to the fall, and that's always the spooky time of the year. So you can pretend to be a mummy and do a little strong, weak mummy walk. This is our review of our keywords. Okay, you can start this assessment on your own. It's not graded. What is the beat? You can click and find out. For each question, you can keep going down there with the next question button. Here's some more moves for strong and weak. You can change it from fast, slow to fast by clicking these, so you'll see the beat. And click slow to fast. This slide we skipped in music this week, so we're not doing this slide this week. Moving on. Drag the correct picture to the jar. And this is our match. You have two different characters and you get to match which one is going to the right beat. You don't have to do this next quiz. You can skip the quiz. You can do the quiz. You can challenge a parent or a sibling to the quiz. And that will get us to the end of our lesson today. Thank you. Enjoy.